This clock is very typical of 18th century work, that it's had multiple lives, so different alterations. It had a lot of sort of refinishing in the 20th century, which typically wouldn't happen today because of conservation practice. It had some repairs and sort of mechanical alterations. But we'll get the clock in the studio set up with driving weights to determine exactly what it needs, and then we can try and find a mainspring that matches. As you can see, we've now removed the hands and the dial from the clock mechanism, and I've allowed both the striking train and the going train, which is the time side of things, to run down. Our primary concern with this clock is that the mainsprings that are driving the clock presently are replacements and they're too strong. Once we've done that, then we can begin to look at quite a few other relatively minor repairs, but we can't really do a great deal until we get the mainspring situation sorted out.